Today I am here with the video which is about the background of phonetics and phonology. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Basit Nasser. Welcome to Learn English with Pathan. Today the video is about the background of phonetics and phonology. So what is phonetics and what is phonology? If I just go into the introduction of phonetics, what is phonetics? Phonetics basically, when we introduce and when we talk about, is what? The study of sounds or speech sound we talk about. That is about the study of speech sound. Then, when it comes to speech sounds, that is included in phonetics. When we talk about the phonology actually describes the system of those sounds. If I go into the dictionary introduction, I will say phonetics means the study of basic or minimal distinctive speech sound. If I talk about phonology is the system which deals with all these sounds. For example, if I say it in simplified words, I say phonetics, the sounds, they are same, they are equal all around the world. But when it comes to phonology, there we are having the differences. So phonetics, if I talk about English language, I'm particularly talking about English language. It can be about Arabic, it can be Urdu, it can be about Pashto language. So the phonetics, the sounds, they are equal. The phonology of the sounds or how they have been pronounced, how they are being pronounced, that is different. So phonetics, we are dealing with sounds. We start from the very basic level. Like as a baby, how the person start sounds. As a baby, I will say a toddler from 9 months to 14 months, the g sound is there, which is visible from 6 months to 9 months. Then from 9 months to 14 months, the other sound starts, which is p, b, and m sound. So the first one, that is from the epiglottis, the g sound, and then the p and the b sound, that is called bilabial. So we are talking about the sound system. As I said, k and g. So it is in the back of the mouth. They are pronounced with here in the uvula. And if I talk about p and b and m sound, so the p and b sound is bilabial sound. It is pronounced by our lips. And the m sound or the n sound, it's a nasal sound. So the system of the sound, that is in phonetics. How the system works to make a sense. When we normally talk about phonetics, what comes into our mind? Those long and scary charts and etc. Those sounds, those are being differentiated in the phonetic symbols. But to simply, this is about sound. The system of the sound, how those sounds work to make a sense. I'll go on to that detail later. Then, phonetics, it is the base. It is the base of the sounds. And when we move on to phonology, how these sounds combine, how the process occur, that is phonology. Then, as I said, same and different. As I have mentioned earlier, that when it comes to the phonetics, sounds, each and every language is having its own different sounds. And phonetics will be same all around the world. Either that is Arabic, if that is English, if that is French, Russian, whatever you name it. But phonology is that thing where the differences come. For example, I said about the word p. So the p sound in English as a sound, it will be the same. But when it comes to the phonology, it will be different. How? The Arabic people, if I just mimic their sound, I will say in normal English, please, can you help me with that? The Arab people in their heavy sound will say, please, can you help me with that? So this is the way. And not that, it will be that sound. So the p sound is there. It's simple, it's basic. But the way it is pronounced, that is different. So we can say the phonology of the sound is different. So at one side we say please, and one side we say please. The Arab people. At one side we say that, and on the other side we say that. Then if I give an example, a simple example, it's B-E-T-T-E-R, better. Normally in Pakistani accent we will say better. In British accent that is better. And in American accent the t sound is converted into the, and that is better. So better and better. This is different. So the phonetics of this t sound is the same, but the phonology is different. So basically, again, just to repeat what we said, phonetics is about the minimal distinctive speech sound. Remember, speech sound, not every sound, and speech sound is a human quality. This is also a sound, but this is not a speech sound. If we listen to the bird's mimicry or the animal sound, they are also sound, but they are not speech sound. So we are talking about speech sound. And then phonology, or the system. If I move on to a little bit of further explanation, I will say sounds comes out of the mouth, but there are parts in the body which takes place in those sounds to come out. First of all, lungs, as we take the breath in, the pharynx and the larynx, the epiglottis we are having, the uvula and the backside, we are having the tongue, the front of the tongue, the mid of the tongue, and back of the tongue. And that small particular part, uvula, we are having teeth, we are having lips, we are having nasal cavity, we are having alveolar ridge, back of the tongue. Like if I say th in the sound, that is with teeth and the tongue. If I say like f or v sound, there is a gap between the teeth and the lips. So overall, there is a system, and by that system the sounds come out. But to make a sense of the thing, that is being discussed in phonology. So this was about a short background of phonetics and phonology. That was the first class, and I hope further we will move on with these classes, and step by step we will do each and everything, starting from the very basic phone, and we will move on with that. So for right now, thank you so much. Thanks for watching Learn English with Pathan. Right now, Basit Nasser signing off. Thank you.